Aloha, hey, it's Julie Ziemlis, 365 Hawaii Real Broker, and welcome to Unit 503 in Kailua Village. This condo complex sits right in the heart of Kona. One of the best things about this condo is the view. Take a look outside and how close we are to all the fun of Kailua Village. Isn't that a great view? And the lanai gives you an opportunity to enjoy sunsets in the morning. You can bring your coffee out. But let's take a look through here. This is the living room. This condo is fully furnished. This one over here to the kitchen is beautifully appointed. It has all the amenities that your guests will need throughout this entire kitchen. So the bedroom has a split AC system, and so does the living room. This is adding extra comfortability to your guests. There are many condos in this complex that do not have air conditioning. It definitely is a benefit to people who are looking for air conditioning units in their vacation. So in here you can see this is a brand new mattress, and when you wake up in the morning, you look at your view. You're looking right into Kailua Bay. Everything in here is fully furnished, turnkey condo. Come this way. And we have the closet that goes with the bedroom, but also not only is it a closed closet, it holds all the beach toys for your guests. Over here is the bathroom. Double sinks, and then we also have a tub and shower combo. The condo also comes with a tankless water heater for energy efficiency. And over here is the closet for the owners. And so that way you can have all of your things here ready for your vacation when you want to use your own investment condo. So here we are. We have a beautiful condo ready for anyone who wants to use it for a full-time living, rental, or short-term vacation rental. It is fully permitted. If you want more information about the financials or anything else, please give us a call. We will have all the information below, and please, we can help you sell this condo. Aloha.